we use the satellite image, we would have traffic traveling in this direction and that direction. So traffic coming down this way would diverge through this fork. So we classify that as a fork. Traffic diverges. The opposite of that would be traffic coming from the side lane, merging into the main lane. And so this we would then classify as an on-ramp or an entrance ramp. And so that's what we're looking at with this section on ramps. So now the two separate videos would be, if we have a look at this side, we also have another ramp, an on-ramp. And so we're looking at traffic merging from the on-ramp into the main lane. And then a separate video where we've got traffic merging from the main lane into the on-ramp. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.